I'm Shimei as usual, and this Monday Minute is going to be a bit different. I'm going to talk to you about fears. Fears is everything when it comes to building businesses. Fears is what stands between you and building a billion-dollar company. And fears are natural social fears that we have, and other fears that you've built up during your life is the reason why you are not getting further. What's going to happen is I decided a while ago that I'm going to do a series of videos on my private channel on YouTube, which is Hey Shimei. I'm going to link it below. And if you're listening on iTunes, you can see it in the description. I'm going to do a series of videos where I'm going to challenge my fears in different angles and different areas to show you, not tell you, what it means to be an entrepreneur and what it means to face your fears. And what I'm hoping is that you'll go on this journey and this challenge with me. So we're going to call it Facing 5 Fears. And I want you to come along and I want you to comment on our YouTube videos about facing your 5 fears. And I want you to comment on your fears. Which fears are your fears? And I'm going to list my fears. I'm going to talk to you about fears I've experienced and have dealt with during my 11 years as an entrepreneur now, and how I've overcome them. And they are more fears than you could ever imagine. Because I've realized the last couple of years that people think I'm very fearless. They see me as a fearless person because I do public speaking. I speak for hundreds of people. I go out and do this in social media. I talk to camera. I go out and vlog in galas and public places. And I run businesses and work with advisors and meet all of these crazy, high status people that people are afraid to talk to. And they think that I'm fearless because of this. And I can tell you right now, I'm not. There's no person in the world who are completely fearless unless you actually have a mental problem, a problem in your brain that is blocking part of your natural instincts, because it's that strong. It's instincts. So I'm going to share them, and I'm going to share the whole journey of some of the most difficult fears I've had and how I overcome them. And I'm hoping that this will inspire you to also challenge some of your fears and to see what kind of fears you have that might be hindering you in your career as a leader or as an entrepreneur. So I'm going to link the links for this challenge. I'm going to use a hashtag, your 5 fears, on Twitter, on Instagram. You're going to find it everywhere. And if you're looking at the YouTube video, you're going to find all the links below. And I'm going to try to face as many fears as possible the next 12 months. I'm going to do some of the first ones very, very soon. And hopefully this will do what part of my goal is as an entrepreneur, and what my goal is with doing my companies to make as many successful entrepreneurs as possible. And in that term, meaning successful, money-making companies with happy leaders that love what they do and that are sustainable and good companies, pretty much. And facing your fears as an entrepreneur is something that we teach and challenge our entrepreneurs that apply to Startup Cabin's Tribes program, which was one of the companies that I own. So in our entrepreneurs program, you go through a 12-month mastermind program together with us, a group of advisors and a team of other entrepreneurs. And we will, within the program, challenge you like crazy to make you stronger as an entrepreneur and as an individual to able to do better, bigger, businesses and better deals, market better, sell better. And it's also something we do on something called Think Weeks, where we invite entrepreneurs to come with us to a place often down at the Riviera in France or different places also in Sweden. And we have kind of like an entrepreneurs retreat where you focus a lot on your journey, your development as a leader and entrepreneur. So it's not about your business or your employees or other things at home. It's about you and how you can strengthen yourself and the reflection on your journey and how to develop it further after you leave the actual retreat. If you're interested in this and getting some really hands-on training in leadership and building better businesses, you can either apply to our 12 months program, Tribes, or you can also apply to be selected for our Think Weeks. You can find it all on startupcabin.com. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and see you in the next episode.